In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with a beehiiv newsletter. If you already have a newsletter set up, one of the easiest ways to monetize it is by adding ads directly into your newsletter posts. This can be a simple way to start generating revenue from the audience you've already built without needing to create a separate product or service. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and how to place an ad inside your newsletter. To get started, open beehiiv and look at the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Newsletter, then choose the specific newsletter you want to edit. This is important if you manage more than one newsletter because you want to make sure you're placing the ad in the correct publication and post. Once you've selected the newsletter, find the post where you want the ad to appear, then click Edit Post to enter the editor. This will take you into the writing area where you can make changes to the content, formatting, and monetization elements of that newsletter. Inside the editor, scroll to the exact place where you want the ad block to appear. Think about placement carefully here. You usually want the ad to feel naturally inserted into the newsletter, so it doesn't interrupt the reading experience too aggressively. A good placement is often somewhere between sections, where it feels visible but still fits the flow of the content. Now click into that spot in the editor. Then type /ad to bring up the available block options and select Ad Network. This tells beehiiv that you want to insert an ad block connected to its ad system. After that, you'll see the ad options currently available to you. These are the offers you can choose from for that newsletter. Review the available choices, pick the one that fits best with your audience and your content, and insert it into the post. Choosing ads that are relevant to your readers can help improve engagement and make the promotion feel more natural. And that's it. Once the ad is added and your newsletter is sent out, readers can interact with it, and when they click on it, you earn money based on the offer. So to recap, you go into your newsletter, open the post in edit mode, place your cursor where you want the ad, type /ad, choose Ad Network, and select one of the available ad offers. It's a very quick process, and it's one of the simplest ways to start monetizing your beehiiv newsletter.